In this video, we will see a few examples of illustrating two sets. So this example says to draw a Venn diagram for the sets A, B, and the universal set. So in order to do this, I'm going to begin by drawing my rectangle that denotes my universal set. And then I know I have a set A and a set B, so I'll represent those by circles inside my Venn diagram. But before I jump to drawing circles, I need to know, are those circles going to look like this or like this? Are they going to be overlapping or disjoint? So I can know that pretty quickly by looking at the elements in A and the elements in B. And I see right away a 3 in both of them. So that tells me that they're going to be overlapping. So now I can actually start building my Venn diagram by putting that element that they have in common in the middle. So that will be my overlapping element. So I'll put a 3 right here. And then I'm going to just kind of mark off as I go so that I know I've gotten everything. So 3 is in the universal set as well. And then I'm going to label this A and this B. So let's build out A. I have 8 and 13. And then in B, 6, 12, and 15. And then let's make sure that we have everything from our universal set. So yes, I put down a 6, I put down an 8, a 12, a 13, and a 15. So I got everything from my universal set. That means that there's not going to be any numbers floating around the outside that are not in A or B. So I have everything accounted for, and it seems everything's in the right place. Let's try one more like this. So here, draw a Venn diagram for the sets x equals and y equals. So I'm going to encourage you right now to pause the video, draw this Venn diagram just like we did above, and then play it when you want to see the answer. Okay, here's what I came up with for mine. It's a little bit different because it didn't give us a universal set, and that's a little bit odd. Usually problems do, but since we don't know what elements make up the universal set, we can't define it in a rectangle because we don't know what elements we should be putting outside the circles in the rectangle. So we just know we have two sets. We know that they don't overlap, so they don't have anything in common. So we just have two disjoint circles, or two disjoint sets with no overlapping elements.